Que je me dépense trop.
Yeah, if you know, please handle. Japanese style style handle inside the middle. I really like it. You like this normal style so I find it.
catch a big fish.
Yeah, yes, please.
And then I'd like to try and get a vegetable
Yeah.
as well.
No lo devuelva a su posición original, sino déjelo sobre el soporte de cristal. Existe riesgo de lesiones si intenta volver a colocar el cuchillo.
Which one would you recommend?
8 últimos de Moránica, agua,
Famous.